Why were early computing punch cards so frustrating? Imagine trying to run a computer with a deck of stiff paper cards, each one holding just 80 characters. That was the reality in the 1960s when computers were still new and exciting. These punch cards were the main way to input data and instructions into early computers. But they came with many headaches. For starters, each card was made of thick, rigid paper with holes punched in specific spots. You could only fit about 80 characters on each card, so complex programs needed hundreds of these cards stacked together. Handling such large stacks was a nightmare. If you dropped or misplaced a card, your entire program could get scrambled. Losing just one card meant hours of work to fix it. Creating punch cards was a slow process. Programmers had to write their code on paper first. Then, they used a machine called a key punch to punch holes in the cards. If they made a mistake, they had to start over with a new card. Editing was a hassle because you could not simply change a line like in modern coding. Instead, you had to physically remove or add cards and then reassemble the stack. This made debugging a long, tedious task. Errors from the punch card process could cause the computer to misread data, leading to wrong results or crashes. The punch cards themselves were fragile. Bending, dirt, or moisture could damage them. Since the machines read the holes using light sensors, any imperfection could cause errors. Also, early punch cards could not easily handle lowercase letters or special symbols. This limited what programmers could write and made coding more difficult. During the space race era, these cards were essential for processing vast amounts of data from rocket launches and satellite tracking. Companies like IBM produced the popular IBM 29-card punch, which standardized the 80-column format. This meant that every card had to follow strict rules for data placement, making programming even more rigid. Handling these cards required careful organization. Programmers often reserved specific columns for notes or special instructions. If a card was misplaced or damaged, sorting and fixing the deck was a challenge. Despite all these frustrations, punch cards were the backbone of early computing. They helped process data for space missions and government projects, pushing technology forward. But they also made programming a slow, error-prone task. So, in many ways, early punch cards were both a symbol of progress and a source of daily annoyance for those working in the dawn of computer technology.